Mum, Dad, making the mundane fun. So, I've got a problem with my oven. When I set the temperature and turn it on, you see the light saying that it's on, but it's not coming on at all. So there's a problem with the bulb. So some ovens have the light bulb at the top up here and some are down here. So what I need to do is I need to replace the bulb within the oven, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, before you do anything, you need to turn off the power to the oven. So I've got an isolated switch up here, so I'm just going to turn the oven off. Okay, so if you've not got an isolated switch, then you might need to turn the power off at the mains. So you can see now it's fully, there's no power at all to the oven. It's got a little cover underneath here. It's like a glass cover to the bulb. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a bit of light on there. I'm just going to take the glass cover off. So it normally just screws out. So I'm just unscrewing it, turning it anti-clockwise, and there you can see that is the bulb there. So before you start twisting the bulb out and thinking that you can just unscrew it, just look at your instructions and also look at the type of bulbs that can be used for these types of ovens, or for your oven in particular, because if you start unscrewing the bulb, you might break it. So for this bulb, I know that it's not an unscrewable one. You just actually kind of pull it out. So I'm just going to pull it. There we go. And it's like this. So the next thing to do is to look online and see if you can find a replacement. So my oven's a Bosch oven. So I've gone online and looked for a replacement, and I've actually found a cheaper version. Rather than going to Bosch itself, I've actually got a cheaper one from a different supplier, and I'll put their details in the description. So let's see if we can replace the bulb. So this is my replacement bulb here. It cost about £2 something or other. With shipping it was about £6 in total. If I got it direct from Bosch, it'd be more like £20. Let's just see if I can get this out using one hand. So this here is my replacement bulb. Just going to take this out. So as you can see, it's exactly the same as the other one. So I'm just going to put this back in now. So the ones that screw in are probably going to be easier to put in than this one. This is going to be a bit trickier because I've got to line up the installation holes with the bulb, which is difficult to do one-handed. So I'm just going to pause you for 1 second. Okay, so I've put the camera in the oven itself, so hopefully my hand's not going to block this now when I put this in, which it looks like it might be, but as you can see there's like several holes there where it needs to kind of match up. So just push that straight in. There we go, bulb is in now. So the next thing I need to do is to put the protector, the thermal protector back on, the glass cover, and this just screws back in. Right here, so let's see if you can see this. My hand in the way. It's very tricky. I'm trying to show you this is my hand in the way, of course. So I'm just going to turn it now clockwise.
So
So just make sure before you turn the power back on, make sure that's fully fixed in there, and you've put the bulb fully into the oven as per the manufacturer's recommendations. Okay, so now let's turn the oven on and just see if it works. So there we go, all fixed up. So the oven is still off. Turn the power supply back on. I'm just going to accept these settings for the time being, set the clock later, just so that we can see if my fixes worked. So let's turn it, let's just open the, there we go. As you can see, the bulb is now working. So thanks for watching, Mum and Dad. Please like, subscribe and share, and see you again soon in the next one.